Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Songs of Conquest game for free via the Epic Games Launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Epic Games Launcher and in search store search for Song of Conquest and then click on base game Songs of Conquest. And here you will see get button and it is completely free right now. And the sales ends on 11th of June 2026. So click on get button. Then click on add to library. Please wait, it is processing your order. And then you will see view in library option. So click on view in library and you can see Songs of Conquest game is added to my library. So click on install and here you will see download size 1.95 GB. So click on install. Click yes to allow. And here you can see that Songs of Conquest game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this download arrow icon. And here you can see Songs of Conquest game is getting installed on my PC via the Epic Games Launcher. So I hope by following these steps you can also download and install Songs of Conquest game for free until 11th of June 2026 via the Epic Games Launcher for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.